Those 6 individuals, raise your hand.
All right.
Introduce you. Welcome. No? Awesome. How you doing? On behalf of the Kean, okay. Dr. Rappelette came back. That's great. On behalf of the Board of Trustees at Kean University, we're excited to welcome you to our group family. I'm just going to give a brief narrative about the program and pass it over to Mr. Lester, who oversees this program from Kean University standpoint. So last year, we wanted to create a unique experience for students. They normally say that when you raise the bar early, they may struggle and have challenges getting over it, but eventually they will cross over that. So when I was Commissioner of Education, we created a program called PTEC, which is a Pathways to Early College. We had four throughout the state. And in Asbury Park, when I was a superintendent, we created the Dream Academy. And it's 8th grade students, rising 9th graders, going to college, as well as going to high school at the same time. A lot of folks thought I was crazy when I was down in Asbury Park because they said these students aren't prepared to do collegiate work and do high school work. Well, that's someone else's theory. My theory is that if we challenge our students, provide them with supports, then they can attain anything they want. And I'm happy to say I took those experiences when I got here at Kean and said, I'm going to create a program that's unique to New Jersey. A program where our students are entering as 9th grade students. We're going to support them socially and emotionally, academically, but we're going to give them a true college experience. What does that mean? You're going to participate in homecoming. You're going to participate in events we have on campus. You're going to have an ID. You're going to have a laptop that we give you, right? Because we need to make sure our students are prepared. But more importantly, we're going to treat you like young adults. Right? Treat you like young adults. And